welcome back. In today's video, I wanted to create this really fun summery makeup look using the much hyped Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I have been loving this palette, you guys. I've seen a lot of mixed reviews on this palette, which at first surprised me because when I actually went on to use this palette, I saw that there was so many beautiful warm tone colors within this palette. We all know Too Faced Chocolate Bar, Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar, Chocolate Bonbons palette. They've all been exceptionally great, but this really takes the prize for me personally, because I love adding, you know, pops of colors in my makeup look, in my eye makeup look. So this palette really does a really great work. So if I want, like, say, a neutral makeup, I can do a neutral makeup using the same palette, and I can do a really fun, colorful eye makeup look using the same palette as well. So it both my interests when it comes to creating an eye look. So yeah, I absolutely love this palette, you guys. I have used it about 2 to 3 times by now, and the shadows are exceptional. Pigmentation is absolutely on point. The blendability of the eyeshadows are a no-brainer because it's Too Faced. We all know Too Faced eyeshadows are really great quality. So no questions on when it comes to blendability. Yeah, I really love this palette, and hopefully you guys get your hands on it. It has been very hard to find. I went to Sephora just a few days ago, and I was just lucky to find one of them. I think it was the last one left, and I grabbed it. I know it has been very hard to find. They have been going you know, out of stock very quickly, so I would just wait and keep my eyes on it, and just keep, you know, look. As soon as you find some available with Sephora or Ulta.com, just go grab it. I highly recommend it. There are other new products that I've also used in this makeup video, and the one that I just used it for this makeup look is the Naked Skin One and Done. It is a tinted moisturizer type of a foundation. I really think this is a really good light to medium coverage foundation. I would not even call it like just a tinted moisturizer by any means, because I do have to apply moisturizer, so you cannot apply this on its own. So far, I love this foundation. It is so great, especially if you are, you know, if you're going out and you're gonna be in the sun all day, or you're gonna be just out and about running errands, or just even for work where you don't want a heavy full coverage foundation. This is an amazing foundation, and so far I really love it. I will talk more about this foundation in on my social media, so yeah, keep an eye on that. And I will be talking about how it fares all through the day. I have just applied it, so we'll have to just wait and watch. So yeah, I really love it. The other new product that I've also mentioned in this video is the POREfessional Matte Rescue Primer by The Benefit Cosmetics. Love this, especially for someone like me who has very oily T-zone. Applying a matte primer, it takes care of all the oiliness and the greasiness. And this is, again, I'm trying this out only today, so I'll let you know how this fares all through the day. And another new product that I've also mentioned in this video is the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. Exceptional product here, you guys. It blends so beautifully, and it is so creamy when you apply it on and then you smudge it right under my waterline that I've done today. It blends beautifully, and it provides you that nice pop of color. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the video.
Alright guys, so I've already moisturized my face, and I'm now putting on my Benefit Cosmetics the POREfessional Matte Rescue Primer. This is a brand new primer I purchased just recently, and I've already talked about it earlier in the video. And this is a new Naked Skin One and Done foundation, or sort of a tinted moisturizer that I'm trying out. I have been really loving this. This is a great foundation for everyday wear. It's a great looking tube with that pump, which is super important when it comes to foundations, and I really love it. Just take a look at the consistency of the foundation. It is very lightweight, it is very liquidy, so it's not going to be too thick on your skin, it's not going to look cakey, and it blends really well, and it looks like it is part of your skin, which is super important, especially now since we are going into the warmer weather. You do not want a foundation that cakes up too much. You want something which is extremely lightweight for the summer season. So this is perfect. And now I'm priming my eyelid with Maybelline Master Prime eyeshadow base. Guys, this is the best drugstore eyeshadow primer, guys. Super affordable and does a really great job, and I highly recommend this guy. Alright, so I'm trying out my new palette by Too Faced. It's a great palette and I've been absolutely loving it. First color that I'm picking is Candied Peach, and I will be applying that right on the crease of my eyelid, like so. And I'll be adding a little more dimension by applying Summer Yum right on top of Candied Peach. Now I'll be applying Bellini on top, like so, all over my lid, at least the first half of my lid. I'll be taking Peach Fit and applying that on the outer half of my lid to create that gradient effect. And I'm picking that purplish color called Talk Derby to me. That's such a funny name and so cute. And I'm creating a little more dimension by applying it on the outer V of my eyelid. Picking up a Peaches and Cream and applying that on the eyebrow lid, and I have already lined my eyes. Now I'm just smoking out that liner with picking up the dark shade called Tempting from the palette and just smoking it out. Sometimes I do not really like the harshness that the eyeliner creates, so I like to smudge it out. Alright, so it's concealer time. I'm applying my Holy Grail Concealer by NARS, and I am blending that out with IT Cosmetics Concealer Blending Brush. This is a fantastic concealer blending brush, you guys. I highly recommend this one. Really blends the concealer really beautifully, and it doesn't streak it at all. Make sure you consistently wash your brushes though. And I'm setting my concealer with Makeup Forever Translucent Pressed Powder. This is the HD version, I believe, and it really does a great job. If you do not like loose powders, this is a great substitute. I'm going in with my ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. This is this purplish color. I do not remember the name of the shade, but I'll leave it in the description box below. And this is a beautiful pinkish purplish gel liner, and it is super pigmented, you guys, and it just looks really pretty. Now I'm smoking it out a little bit more so it's nicely blended. And I'm curling my lashes with my Revlon eyelash curler. Can't talk today. And applying my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. Now I'm going in with my L'Oreal products to do my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with my Ulta Beauty contour palette and contouring my face. I do not want to do a very harsh contouring because I'll be bronzing my face as well, so just wanted to keep it really light. Now I'm shaping up my nose and chiseling that out as well. And applying my NYX Ombre Blush. This is a great blush and I have used it in a number of videos in the past too. Now I'm bronzing with my Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. This is gorgeous for the summer season. We all want that J-Lo glow on our face. So I think this really does a great job of bringing in that nice bronzy look to your face. And now lips time. I'm using ColourPop's Ultra Satin Liquid Lipstick. I've been a great fan of this liquid lipstick, you guys. I'm applying Frick and Frack at the moment, and this is really nice on your lips. It's not too drying at all. And now applying Echo Park, which is a few shades lighter than that, than Frick and Frack, and I'm creating a nice ombre effect on my lips.
So hopefully you enjoyed this video. It is very simple eye makeup look. Really literally took me 10 minutes to create this. I think filming took way longer than actually creating the makeup look. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I think it's so perfect for the summer, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for sure, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and also now on Snapchat. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.